Hallo, willkommen. Today I am sitting in my yard waiting to find out if a DIY project I'm in the middle of, I'm filming it by the way, is a complete failure or not. So yeah, I decided that while I wait to find out if I completely failed and I should renounce every credibility I have of DIYing, let's do a goddess box unboxing, because I got this in the mail. And yeah, this is a subscription service, by the way, that I subscribe to, so I just decided, why not? Let's check it out. Bring some happiness to a situation that could possibly crush part of my soul. No, it's not really that dramatic, but I will be upset. So let's get into this, shall we? The inside of the box, and that's what it looks like. I can see there's chocolates in there, which may pose an issue because when this arrived on my doorstep, it was a very, 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 very hot day, and I feel like I say that almost every time I film a video, but that's just the reality of Australia, okay? It's a very hot country. So citrus dark chocolates. Are these possibly like orange chocolate? I love orange chocolate. Oof, it's like yeah, it smells like Jaffas. Oh, do you have Jaffas in your country? I miss Jaffas. Yep, you can tell it's definitely somewhat heat damaged, but that's okay. These are vegan, by the way. It says it on the bottle. Vegan, gluten-free, non-GMO, and paleo-friendly. Tastes like a Jaffa. I'm happy. I like Jaffas. That's so good. Now I'm worried I'm gonna have chocolate in between my teeth for like the rest of this video. Probably should have brought a drink out because my mouth is already dry. Be right back. Oh! Ow. That hurt. Anyway, next up in the box, I have this. Ooh! The colours. The colours. It's technically autumn here in Australia, although the weather would be fooling you. Yeah, autumn really doesn't start. It is not in my state at all. I'm in Queensland. We're one of the northern states, the hot states, and my cats are running about again. So this is the Citrus Comet. This is crystal bar soap. Okay, orange scented, and it has a little crystal inside it, right there. Ooh, what type of crystal are you? Carnelian? I think so. Carnelian. Again, this is vegan friendly. I'm pretty sure everything from Goddess Provisions is vegan friendly. So every box that I've seen over the last like 4, maybe 5 months have been vegan friendly. So yeah, I would say so. I would say everything's vegan friendly from this company. Yeah. I'm not really one to use much in the way of bar soap, but I do use it for like hand washing at the laundry tub and all of that, so that's probably where that will go. Next up I have, is this an amethyst ball? It is! It's a little crystal amethyst. How darling. Ooh, I love amethyst. Amethyst and rose quartz for some reason. Well, I mean, they align with my birthstone and my star sign and all of that, but I'm really drawn to them. You'd think I'd love like the black stones like obsidian, which is volcanic glass, and like all of that jazz, But no, I'm kind of more drawn to rose quartz, amethyst, lapis lazuli, tourmaline, that stuff. I don't know why, I like really colourful crystals, and particularly amethyst and rose quartz I have a real drawing to. Hey Bubba. Next up is a hair health perfume. Hair health perfume. Fuck is a hair health perfume? Oh, that is really strong. I knew I smelt the lavender and yeah, the rosemary. Another cat. This is Ivy. We're watching her at the moment. I don't know, it says hair health perfume. I wouldn't use this on my hair personally because I have a very strict regime with my hair. I'd probably use this more as an actual perfume because I do like essential oils as perfume. I'm just surrounded by cats. I mean, I've got 3 of my own, and then I'm looking after this one at the moment as well. Hey Ivy. If you're one of my Facebook friends, you would know the whole story behind why we're looking after her at the moment. Next up, what are you? It's velvet. It's printed. Lots of stars and stuff. Oh, how sweet! It's a pillow case, like a pillow cover thingo. Oh, and I keep dropping it. It's a very nice velvet too. And it's got gold glitter printing and all these stars and the moon. It's so pretty. Oh, I think this alone makes the box like super worth it. I mean, those chocolates were nice. Like everything else is nice, but damn. I love home decor. And what's this last thing? Technician of the Sacred. Oh, I think that Amethyst Ball is supposed to sit on the center of that. That makes sense. Ah, okay, I get it. So it's got full instructions of how to... Cause this is the Dance of the Venus style. Okay, it is, okay. This makes so much more sense. That is really wicked. Again, more home decor kind of things. Love it. So the card for this month's box is at the bottom. Last time it was at the top, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, we've got the pillowcase, which instantly is the price of the box. Like I said, that made up for the whole, like, that was worth the whole box, basically. Then we've got the soap, the spray, the chocolate, the Sacred Sphere stand, and the Amethyst Sphere, and there's a digital bonus, which is the Astro Guide. I might have a look at that. I haven't had a look at that yet because I haven't obviously read this, but that's really cool. Monthly mantra. I noticed after last video that at the top it's got something written here, and it says, I'm a child of the earth, galaxy, universe, and all of creation. I like that. I really like that. That's really cool. I know a lot of people think that like the universe and all of that is a whole bunch of mumbo jumbo, but you know, there has to be some kind of force or something. You know, I'm not religious or anything like that, but I do believe in forces in the universe that they don't predestine our lives for us, but there's energies that we are drawn to. You know, we can't explain certain things that we like or do or things like that, and I think that's part of the energies that surround us. So yeah, just ramblings from within my mind. So yeah, I'm really happy with this, and I do, as I said in my last video, I do have an affiliate code for this company, so that's, you know, full transparency. I don't try and hide anything like that. Everything I clearly state is sponsored or affiliate, you know, things like that, because I don't want to mislead you guys. So there is an affiliate link down below, but if you don't like to use affiliate links, that is completely okay, and you can just go to goddessprovisions.com and, you know, bypass the whole affiliate link thing if you just want to check them out, or, you know, whatever. I mean, I would be grateful if you use the affiliate link, but if not, I fully understand, because some people just don't like that, and that's perfectly okay. But I am thankful that you are watching this right now. So if you haven't and you would like to be, subscribe to my channel, because I would love to be here for every single video, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell, because YouTube has been a bit silly with subscription boxes lately. Like this video if you like Goddess Provisions unboxings and you want me to, you know, keep doing them, and opening up a bit more about that kind of metaphysical part of my life. I am a sucker for this stuff, and I especially love astrology. Anybody who's my friend knows how obsessed I am with astrology and the zodiac and all of that stuff. Comment down below if there's something you would like to see on this channel, and I hope you all have a wonderful, fantabulous day. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next video. And I think Binks has come to say hello. Binksy! Binksy! Binksy's my sleepy boy. Binks! All my cats are around me right now, plus the stranger cat. I hope you're having a wonderful day.